Hello friends, welcome to ErrorCode. I am Tanay. Today we are converting Python file to exe. So let's start. In this video we will use two easy methods which are with pyinstaller and with auto-py-to-exe. So let's start with pyinstaller. To install pyinstaller, open cmd and type pip install pyinstaller and press enter. Pyinstaller is installed now. Now go to the folder where Python file is saved. We have to open cmd in this folder. There are many ways to open cmd in a folder depending on your OS. In Windows 10, just type cmd in this address bar and press enter. Now in cmd type pyinstaller --onefile --noconsole and script name.py, that is clock.py, and press enter. Wait till the process is completing. Here the dist folder contains the exe. If we want to generate exe with our own icon, then delete the previous files and go in cmd, type pyinstaller --onefile --noconsole --icon equals to icon.ico. Here the icon file should be in ICO extension and script name.py, that is clock.py. We have to copy this icon file to the folder. Now I have copied the icon. Go in cmd and press enter. Wait till the process is completing. As we can see that this exe is generated with icon. Let's try this with another method, that is auto-py-to-exe. To install auto-py-to-exe, type pip install auto-py-to-exe and press enter. Auto-py-to-exe is installed now. Type auto-py-to-exe and press enter. After a few seconds, this window will appear. Let's give the script location by clicking browse. Choose one file, choose window based and select the icon. Once we are done with all the things, press convert py to exe. Wait until the process is completing. This time the output folder contains the exe. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. So please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.